Hey guys, just wanted to make sure you got the answers for this going into the weekend, so I'll try and just do it pretty quickly. Okay, number one, identical twins are in essence carbon copies of one another. Good start. True or false? True, right? They share, they're genetic clones, so they are in essence carbon copies of one another. All right. Number two, fraternal twins give us limited information about genetic influence and its impact on human behavior. This is kind of a true and false. It's true if you're comparing it to identical twins, right? Identical twins definitely give us much more. But if I said true, it's totally limited, well then that's saying that you and your siblings don't give us any genetic information. And that's not true because we do share similarities with our siblings. So even though they are essentially just normal siblings, we still have some genetic influence there. All right. Number three, if you're an identical twin, you will share I need to fix that. You will most likely have the same interests, hobbies, and athletic abilities. Well, pretty true. It doesn't mean you have to have the same interests, hobbies, and athletic abilities, but they tend to be pretty darn similar in a lot of things, and interests and personalities. If you know the Gruber twins from last year, I mean, really same interests and academic ability and hobbies and athletic abilities. So yeah. Here's a fun fact though. They don't know if they're identical or fraternal. Isn't that crazy? They said their parents just never found out and did genetic testing on that. There you go. Okay, what number are we on? 4. Usually identical twins separated at birth do not find they have much in common if reunited. The environment tends to nullify their genetic similarities. Answer is false. They've actually found some pretty crazy stuff about separated identical twins. Everything from, here, let me quote this page here. Personalities, like taste, physical attributes, thinking, feeling, abilities, attitudes, interests, and even fears were similar. And then you get those crazy stories about them like marrying a guy with the same name, and they name their dog the same. And the point of the story is that they have found, just like that video showed, that they do have an amazing amount of similarities despite the environment. All right. 5. When considering an adopted child, adoptive parents have more influence than the biological parents. That's false. That's just a vague question, right? This is what you need to know. Adoptive parents, what do they have an influence on? And it is on things like values, beliefs, religions, politics, things like that. Those are the things that the adoptive parent can have an effect on. Whereas what is influenced by the biological parent that they never see or never around, 2 big things are things like personality and intelligence. Those are very influenced by biological parents. All right, so the answer there is both. It's both. I think both of those things are important, right? Personality, intelligence, and on the other side, values, beliefs, politics, religion. Those things are important too. Okay. Number 6, if one identical twin is divorced, the other is likely to become divorced also. The answer is yes, they're more likely. Doesn't mean that they are going to become divorced. If you're identical twin, you're like, oh no, they just got divorced. No, but you're more likely to. And that could probably be because of personality. Okay. And number 7. Overall, current research suggests that genetics play a greater role in human development over the environment. The answer there is no. It's not true. Basically, they both have a huge effect on us. There's no way to really determine which one's more powerful. They affect us in different ways. So they both work simultaneously to affect our mind and our behaviors. All right? Okay, email me with any questions over the weekend. All right, bye.